Ford Kuga service light reset. So here's how the procedure goes, guys. So you need to turn the ignition on, the key on. If it is the turn key, just key on. But if it is a push start button, like here on this car, so you need to press twice to get the ignition on. And so once the key is on, you need to press both accelerator and the brake pedal at the same time, fully pressed, and you need to keep it hold at least for 3 seconds. And then you will see your oil light reset programming message on the display. And then do not release them. After 25 seconds, the service oil reset complete message will be displayed. So you need to keep holding accelerator and the brake pedal together until the message disappears. Then release both accelerator and brake pedals. The service oil reset complete message will no longer be displayed. That's how the procedure goes, guys. Then turn off the ignition, turn off the key. So I'm gonna perform the light reset, see how it goes. So driver door closed, key on, hold the brake and accelerator pedal together. Keep holding. Keep holding. So after 25 seconds, you will see this message comes on. And now you can release the brake and brake and accelerator pedal. And then turn the key off. And then you can retest it by starting the car. Here you go. The message is reset. So the service light no longer showing. Thanks for watching. See if this video helps. Support my channels by subscribing. Comment your ideas. Thanks again.